So before we get started with contractionary monetary policy, we need to understand what inflation exactly is. Now, we know inflation is basically when stuff gets more expensive, when the price of everything goes up. But the reason why that happens is also important for understanding how the monetary policy works into this. Inflation happens when there's too many people who want to buy too many goods, when there's more demand for goods in the market than what's being supplied. Um, this can happen when people have too much money to spend, and as a result, to match the demand with the supply, the shopkeepers raise the prices of their goods so that they can discourage people from buying it, reducing the demand so it can come in line with their supply. So that's how prices rise. And contractionary monetary policy aims to reduce it by increasing interest rates. Now, it seems a little counterintuitive, but once you start understanding how it works, it all fits in really well. So basically, with the contractionary monetary policy, the government increases the interest rates for basically everything, for credit cards, for loans, for mortgages. Now, when that happens, people are discouraged from buying more credit cards, getting more mortgages, or borrowing money from the bank. So now they have less money that they can hold on to, and they're basically incentivized to be more careful with the way they spend this money. The Bank of Canada even did this in 2022 when, after COVID, inflation skyrocketed. So what they did is they took their policy rate, which is the rate at which the central bank lends money to other banks in the country. So they increased that rate from 0.25% to a staggering 5% over the course of 1 year. The shopkeepers who were raising their prices can now slow down the increase, and they may even offer discounts. They might even reduce the prices to match with the lower demand. Now, when I say reduce inflation, I mean to slow it down, because in reality, inflation is inevitable. We can't stop it, we can't reverse it. All we can do is slow it down.